Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making the most decadent and delicious chocolate brownie, and we are preparing it in a microwave in less than 3 minutes. So let's see how to make this eggless brownie. Take a microwave safe bowl, or you can also use a mug. Add in some brown sugar. Add some room temperature milk and mix it. Once the sugar is melted and milk changes its color, add few drops of vanilla essence and vegetable oil. You can use any flavorless oil and mix it. Now add in all-purpose flour and cocoa powder. Now mix everything very carefully and break all the lumps. Once everything is well combined, you can see it has changed into a cake batter consistency. Now take the bowl and microwave it for 3 minutes at 900 watts. And in just 3 minutes, our super fudgy brownie is ready. You can add some chocolate whipping cream on top, or even ice creams go really well with brownies. To add more chocolatey twist, drizzle in some melted dark chocolate. Look at the beautiful texture of this brownie. See how fudgy and airy it is. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.